guys, it's Melody with Dreaming of Bling. I'm here today with an unboxing. Got a small haul from Jesse James Beads. So I wanted to just show you what I got and give you maybe a little idea of what I'm going to be doing with everything. So let me get you down on the map. It's good to see everybody. I've been a little under the weather for the past couple days. Feeling good now, but I'm still a little nasally, but feeling pretty good. So let me get you down on the map and show you what I got from Jesse James Beads. And I will put in the description link below links to everything so that you can go straight to their site and get everything I've got right down here on my mat. So without further ado, let's go down to the mat. So what I got in this haul is with some new products. I've got the Pantone Strand in Illuminating. I love yellow. I don't wear a lot of yellow because I'm so pale it washes me out. But I love these colors in these yellows. So I'm pretty sure this is going to go into a beautiful, beautiful necklace. Possibly necklace earring set, bracelet set. So that's the Pantone Strand in Illuminating. And then the next thing I got was an antique brass intertwined Chevron chain. And I love this. I already have a design out for this, which will be in the next upcoming videos of what I'm going to be doing with this one and this one. So the next thing is, this is the Modern Art Mixed Media Pendant. And I love this because it has movement. I love anything that has a little movement to it, that can give it a little flash, little bling, so that, you know, you can see the different ways it may lay. I love this. This could even be, I'm going to use it as a pendant, but let me get it up here in focus. This could even be like a bracelet bar. Could do it this way. Use it as a bracelet bar. So I'm loving that. I love that modern art. I love the mixed metal with the wood in it. It just gives it a really, really nice tone. Loving the antique brass chain. The next thing I want to show you, it's a polymer clay pendant. And I love the colors in this. I already have an idea for a necklace with this. Remember I told you in the last one when I got the cha-cha earrings that if it didn't suit, and I used a little patina paint to change the color of the metal. Well, in this one, I'm thinking I don't want this to be the only thing. So I'm just going to add another hole down here to the pendant. And I'm going to add a tassel down to the bottom. So, I love the colors in this. I love that it's light. It's not heavy at all. It's a great little pendant. I love how everything just kind of swallows in together too. Look how cute this is together. So, I'm already knowing that these are going to marry into each other into a necklace. The next thing they sent me was these cute little dress it up buttons, micro hearts in Ocean Breeze, and I ripped the bag opening them up because I've already decided that I'm gonna take them out because they're little micro hearts, little micro heart buttons, and I've already made some of them into little dangles so that when I add the tassel to this, I can have little dangles going in with it. So that's my little short little video haul of the things I got, the new products I got from Jesse James Beads. I will add in the description box below link for each item so it can take you directly to each item. I absolutely love how you get a small amount of products here and you can do anything with them. So, and they go well and with everything, so that you can make an ensemble or make just a single necklace, you know. And so in my next few videos, it'll be putting some of these things together with maybe some things for my stash. So until next time, this is Melody for Dreaming of Bling featuring Jesse James Beads.